Make sure to check out my channel for more videos just like this. What is going on, people? It is your boy MrBucketlist, and today I will be doing a review of the Kelly Park Rock Springs in Apopka, Florida. Check it out. And yes, we will be taking a trip back in time because this video took a couple of years to make. So if you see the difference, that's what's going on. Let's get back to it. All right, so first let's get into the tube. So I got this down the street. You can get them, they're a couple of dollars, like $3 or $4. And to actually get the tubing, you need two things. You need a form of cash and an ID card. So my first tip is to bring cash and an ID card with you. You will not be able to get a tube, and you're gonna look kind of awkward not having one when you get there. As you can see, this place is pretty nice. Now it's a little bit wobbly because this is an old video, like I said, but I went there a couple of times, and I went there recently as well. You want to definitely go during the off months. So summer is the worst time to go. It's not going to look anything like this. It's going to be packed. So make sure you go like during spring or fall. I mean, even winter sometimes if they're open. But the place is beautiful. I mean, it always looks like this no matter what. They keep the park really clean. Another thing is the water itself is not freezing cold. It's actually a really good temperature, so I mean, you'll have a good time. Just look at it. I mean, this is picture perfect type stuff, and this is literally in Florida. Now, like I said, this video is older, so I mean, yes, I do look skinny, and I'm trying to get back down to that weight, but like I said, I've been there a few times, and it still looks the same. It has not changed. This place does get crowded, so I just want to definitely let you know that, be aware of that, which brings me to my next tip, which is get there early. As I said, I went there during the summertime to test it out, and it was packed. This video is not from the summertime, this is spring, but during the summertime, I literally didn't feel like recording because there were so many people walking in front of my camera, it felt like being in a theme park. But yes, basically it has its own natural lazy river, and that's why it's best to have a tube. You literally just float from one end to the next. It's a beautiful, beautiful place to be at. A little bit of a 360 view right there, so you can see how empty it was. And this is part of the boardwalk over here. Now I do have a warning, like I said earlier, you want to stay away from this place during the summer months. So this is what you can kind of expect during summer, just people hanging around, which isn't a bad thing. It isn't a park for the public. But at the same time, it's a bunch of kids crying, people drinking. It starts to get a little ridiculous. So like I said, I like to go during the slow seasons. Now, like I said, this place is a campsite, and it does have like a food stand and showers and things like that. I haven't camped here because I'm not a camper in person. But if you're into that type of stuff, it's definitely something to check out. I believe you can stay overnight, but when you camp, of course, it's a lot more than just visiting for the day. So definitely check out the website. All right, so let's go into the pros and cons. Now, as far as my rating, this is definitely a must-do. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.